Real estate investors who don't have access to MLS often think they are missing out on deals because of the difference when new listing is posted there and when it gets published on free public available websites such as Zillow, Redfin, etc. I took opportunity to check it. Few years ago, I remember there was rumors that after agent or broker publishes listing on MLS, what we call multiple listing service, which is designated platform officially used by real estate agents or brokers, it might take a day to have it showing up on Zillow, which is free public platform where every person in the world have an access to anytime. Investors without real estate license were asking agents to give them access to MLS through email, which is possible, or ask agents to monitor MLS themselves on a regular basis, not to lose the deal with delay when it gets published on Zillow and investors can find out about it. Lately, I was selling few of my properties and decided to check what is the real-time difference nowadays. I asked my agent to text me right away when the listing gets published on MLS. Here is chronology of events. My agent texted me at 2:32 p.m. that the listing is posted. I jumped online in about half an hour. Putting address on Google gave me links to Zillow and the other public platform Redfin right away. The time I recorded the screen is 2:55 p.m. and the listing was there for already 30 minutes, which tells that it was published there right away, or almost right away. Who knows how many minutes earlier than my agent texted me, his brokerage office really got it listed on MLS. On Zillow, the property listing was also posted pretty much instantly, even a little earlier than Redfin. The time to record the screen is 2:59 p.m. and it was already for 35 minutes active on Zillow. But for some reason, the listing was missing all the pictures, even the full property info was present. I'm really not sure whether it was the glitch, but I really believe so since in the past I used to catch listings with couple of minutes since posted and having full info with pictures. I actually texted my agent right away after his text that there is no pictures, and very soon, which is just after 1 hour since post on MLS, he replied me back that either glitch or whatever is fixed, and all of the pictures appeared on Zillow. To sum up everything, there is great synchronized feature or however they communicate with each other between MLS and all of the other public platforms. The listings are getting posted almost instantly there since published on MLS, and real estate investors are not missing any deals monitoring just Zillow.